Hey everyone, this is Donna and we are doing Stitch Fix 113, box number 113. It's a lot of boxes. So I'm going to hold up the price sheet and so you can get the item number. If you like any of these items, it just makes it so much easier for you and for me, because that way you don't have to ask me. It's right here. If you see something you like, I'll read off what the item is, and then you can go from there. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to pretend that we're going to tear this baby open, rip. Okay, we've done it. So here we go again. Okay, guys. We're going to start with this rib knit top. And it is by Market and Spruce. This is the ARIA split neck fitted ribbed top, and it is $45. Okay. And it is a longer top. And I won't be doing a try-on. It looks like it doesn't have any buttons. It's just a small V-neck. It doesn't have a collar. Pretty stretchy, if you can see that. It's gray, a dark gray. It has some snap sleeves that actually unsnap. Do I need another top like this? I don't know. We'll see. I'll try it on, see. We'll see what it's like. So then we go to the next little top, and it's almost a denim color, but it's not denim. It's by Flags and Anthem. And this top is the Jessie 2-pocket button down top, $49. And it might be cute with maybe under a vest. I don't know. I'll have to try it on. Not very thick. It's a thin cotton with snap sleeves. It has 2 pockets in the front. You can see that. And it is a little bit longer in the back. You can see that. Okay. So that's top number 2. Now we come to top number 3. And I'm curious about this top. I like mesh tops. I'm going to try this on later. I have not even tried it on because of the mess up on the video. But this is by, who's it by? L-E-S-S-E-R-A-I-N. The Riley full button mesh knit top in brown. $45. Now, very thin. Okay, so remember that. You can see it through the sleeves. It has a black line to it. There is no collar. It just comes up around, but it's pretty. It's a pretty little top. And then we're coming to the next item. It's a 41 Hawthorne. And that is the Dolce Quilted Puffer Jacket, white medium, $68. And I had actually asked for this. I wanted a white puffer jacket, and I said I wanted a longer one, but this one will just rest right at the hips, I do believe. So it's not long enough. And for this particular jacket, you might want to, if you want this jacket, it's cute. It's got cute detailing here around the collar. It has, let me show you the back of it, some snaps at the bottom. They do come unsnapped. There are snaps at the sleeves, and there are 2 zip pockets, slip pockets here that zip. What I don't need about this jacket is I have a lot of jackets for the fall, and this feels like a fall jacket to me. It is not warm enough. It's not going to be warm enough. So I need a jacket that is worthy of the weather up where I live. I live in northern Michigan. So if I get, right now we've got 4 or 5 inches of snow outside in my backyard. Do I need a jacket like this? No, I need something that's going to cover me and be worthy of being in that kind of weather. We get at times minus 20 below up here. So I don't need that jacket. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go outside and go hiking in this weather. Grab my poles and away we go. So I hope, I probably won't be on here for the holidays, but for people who celebrate Christmas, I wanted to say Merry Christmas. If you celebrate any other types of religions or beliefs, I wish you happy holidays. And I hope that you will please subscribe, and everyone take care of themselves. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.